This is a different take on your typical arrangements question because we've got a bracelet and so it's going to be connected at either end, whereas normally when you have a list, it's got like a start and an end. The bracelet doesn't, which means there's going to be some bracelets that look the same. So, for example, I could have, let's just make a possible bracelet. So, some different black beads and then a first white bead and then maybe fourth black bead there. Okay, now if I was just to rotate this around, then I could end up with it looking like this. So that will look the same. Or I can imagine turning it over. So then I could kind of write it in reverse, for example, or I could then turn it over and then rotate it. So these are just things to bear in mind. And the solutions actually, they do something similar when they explain this. They give some possibilities. So this is a visual picture. I wrote it, in symbols, but it is a visual picture of some that look the same. So we've kind of got this starting one, and then this one, we've rotated it around like that. Whereas this one, turned it over because it was going clockwise, black, black, white, white, and now it's white, white, black, black, and it's been rotated as well. So that hopefully gives you the idea. That's really important at this, of the offset to realize this so you don't come up with extra solutions. So having explained that, let's systematically work out all the different bracelets and hence how many there are. And I'm going to consider different numbers of black beads next to each other. So if we're careful, we should get every single one. First of all, four next to each other. Now there's only one gap in which to put the white beads, so it's got to be white, 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 white. There's just going to be one way that we can make this bracelet. Next up, 3 and 1. Oops, sorry. Okay, now there's two spaces here. So I could go black, 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 white, black, white, white, white. Or I could go black, 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 white, white, black, white, white. These will definitely be different. Or I could go black, 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 white, 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 black, white. But this will actually be the same as that first one. So I'm going to cross it out. Already got it. But I think it's actually quite a good idea to use this approach just to check. Okay, and that's all the different ways we can do it. 1 and 3 whites, 2 and 2, or 3 and 1. But like we said, that's going to be the same. So there's going to be two possibilities here. Next up, it's going to be 2 and 2. Black, 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 black. All right, so we go black, black, white, black, black, white, white, white. That would definitely be an option. Or black, black, white, white, black, black, white, white. That'd be another one. Or this is going to be very similar to the last one that we crossed out. We could have 3 whites next to each other, but that's just going to be a rotation of the first one. So again, we're going to rule that one out. So I've gone with 1 and 3 again, whites that is, 2 and 2, and then 3 and 1. That was already counted. So I've got another 2. So we're up to 5. Okay, next 2, 1 and 1. Right, this time got 3 spaces. So black, black, white, black, white, black, white, white. Notice this is next to the black, black, or black, black, white, black, white, white. So this is definitely going to be different because now the 2 whites are not next to the 2 blacks. Or black, black, white, white, black, white, black, white. Okay, this again is going to be the same as the first one. It's just been rotated round, like turned over rather, and then rotated. So this is 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Actually helps because you can see that it's going to end up being different. And then 2, 1, 1, or maybe not. It was clear up here. But anyway, I've got another 2 options. I've worked through that systematically. So I'm up to 7. Right, the only one I've not considered is what if they're all separate? So I made a mess of that. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. And the only option here to keep them separate is to fill it in like this. So there's one option here. It's going to be 1, 1, 1, 1 for the whites. So I feel like I've been very careful. Even writing in some of those that we then rule out is quite careful. Working our way through, there are no other options. So there's going to be 8 possible bracelets. Well done if you got that. I think it's very easy to miss one. And it's also very tough to like really explain exactly why there are no more and why these ones, are the ones we find. So I've explained it verbally, a few more words, obviously on paper, just to justify it. I think like words along these lines are good. I've actually written very few words. Most of it's me talking. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that problem. This is quite a nice one. Like I said, it's a different version of arrangements. Good job.